So one of the first things that people do when they want to run adverts is that they simply come to the ads manager and they start setting up their advert. This is wrong. This is the very wrong way to set up adverts. Okay, now don't get me wrongly, I'm going to explain why I'm saying it is not the right way. Because punching these buttons and setting up your campaign here, coming here to the ad set, and then moving to the ad level to set up whatever you want to do there, these are the easiest things to do. When you want to run adverts, punching these buttons and navigating through the ads manager on Facebook is the easiest thing to do, whether you're running advert on Facebook or advert on Instagram. Just punching those few buttons and setting up your ad and putting up your image or your videos and your copy, those are the easiest things to do. The major work that brings sales through your advert is done outside of this place, and that is why some people struggle and they say that I've done everything possible, I've done everything, I did targeting right, I did this, I did that, and I did not get any result. This is because they did not take their time to narrate or to actually bring out a process for their advert, to bring out a strategy for their advert. These things are not magic. So in this video, right, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to share with you 5 most important things that you need to do before setting up Facebook adverts, before running adverts. 5 most important things. And you have to make sure that these things are in place before you even start punching any button. If you don't do it like that, you may not get an amazing result like you expect to get, okay? So yes, stay with me. We are going to learn 5 most important things to do before running adverts, either on Facebook or on Instagram for your business. And if you do these things rightly, you are going to see results. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up, just like the video, that's all. In this channel, I share about Facebook advert, Instagram advert. I give updates on any new update on adverts. I talk about how to make money online, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, ebooks, whatever it is that helps people make money online. I share them in this channel. If that is what you like, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So without wasting other time, let's dive in. So the first thing is that you have to work out your offer. The first and one of the most important things that you must take care of when you want to set up advert on Facebook is your offer. Why would people buy from you and not from someone else? What is that thing that will make people desire what you sell, either a product or a service? What is that singular thing, that one, that two, that 3 things? What are those series of things that will make people desire what you sell above someone else's? I mean, you sell phone, yeah? For instance, you sell a phone, okay? You're not the only one selling phone, right? You're not the only one who sells phones. So why would people want to buy phone from you and not from the next store? You sell a product like this. Why would people want to buy this product from you? Since they can also buy the same product from the next store close to you, why would they buy it from you? You need to answer this question. If you answer this question correctly, you come up with an offer. For instance, if you sell this phone and then you're making me an offer that this phone, if it falls into water or if it develops any fault or what, that you offer after service for 1 year for free. Which means that if I buy this phone from you, and then if it develops any fault within 1 year, within 12 months period, I can bring it to your store and then you will offer any service to repair it or whatever, to replace damaged stuff for free. I will be happy to take you up on that offer. And maybe you tell me that if I buy from you, you give us a screen guard or a screen protector for free, or you offer a pouch for free. I would be more than happy to do business with you, because you are not the only one selling these phones, but people are coming to you. Why? What is that reason? Find the reason. What is your offer? Why would I buy that shoe from you? Why would I buy that bag from you? Create an offer and people would look beyond the products and buy into your offer. Second one is that you have to work out your creatives. So the thing is about running advert on Facebook and Instagram is that people do not come on these platforms to look for adverts. Okay? Nobody comes on Facebook or Instagram and say, let me look for adverts. No. People are on these platforms to interact. People come on YouTube to search for videos, watch videos, entertainment videos, educative videos, interviews, podcasts, stuff like that. People come on YouTube to be informed, to gain knowledge, to gain information because they are researching. Then if your advert pops up, is it creative enough? Is it enticing enough? Is it exciting enough to keep them? The same thing on Facebook and Instagram. People are there to interact, to catch crews, to catch up with friends, to discuss, to see what's happening, to make posts and go, right? So you have to work out your advert creative because the attention span is quite low. You are fighting for attention. So why would anyone pay attention to your advert? What is that extra juice in your ad? Is it your ad image? Is it the video? Whatever it is it the ad copy that you're using? What is that extra thing that would make people leave what they are doing and pay attention to your advert? That's why I advise business owners to always take time to make their own videos by themselves. You see some people that are saying, this person is crazy, is doing crazy things on Instagram, doing crazy things on TikTok. They are doing those things because that is what their audience looks out for. That is what people are actually interested in and enjoying. What is that extra juice? That's very thing that may look insignificant, but it's an amazing thing that attracts people. Because if you are unable to attract the attention or capture the attention of your audience with your ad creative, they will scroll past your ad to the next person and then you have lost out on them. Work out your advert creative so that you don't cry foul when people don't buy from you. The third one is work out your delivery process. We have seen situations where business owners have been frustrated by some logistics companies. This is the reality of many business owners in Nigeria today. You set up adverts, you run adverts. Don't you know that sometimes your advert can pick up and then you can have what we call rush orders? If you receive over 30 to 50 to 100 orders in a day, do you have the capacity to deliver? If you run the kind of adverts that we run, and then you receive up to 100 orders, 50 orders, more than that in one day, do you have the capacity? Does your business have the capacity to handle those orders and deliver them? For instance, within Lagos only. Is there any logistics company that you hang your hope in? If they smash your hope to the wall, what do you fall back on? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. These are the loose ends you need to tighten and make sure they are effective before you start running adverts. Because when these adverts start bringing in results, can you handle it? Can you handle it? Because if you fail to make these deliveries, to handle them effectively, you've lost these people. And then word of mouth can fly easily. They will tell the next person, and the next person will tell the next person, and it goes on like that. They are spoiling your business for you. So you must be able to handle whatever comes to your business. Set these things in the proper way. Have more than one logistics partner. Have up to 3, up to 4, up to 5. So that if one disappoints, the other one picks up. If you have the money, if you have the capacity, have your own bike. The fourth one is that you must see an advert as an investment and not an expense. This means that you must invest well into advert. Those days of spending 1,000, 2,000, those days are gone. If you spend 3,000 on ads these days, you may not even see any tangible, any reasonable results. I'm talking of Naira, not dollar, not other currencies. Naira here, because I live in Nigeria. This is media buying. Facebook, Instagram, they are the same thing now. YouTube, Google, all these people, they are a media buying company. So they favor the highest bidder. If you spend 3,000 naira on adverts and they show your advert to 3,000 people, it means that if I spend 10,000, they will show my advert to 10,000 people, right? More than that. I'm just giving an example. So you see that the higher you spend, the higher the number of people that are going to see your advert, because this is sales. And guess what? Sales is a game of numbers. So the higher the number of people that sees your product, the higher your chances of converting some of these people into paying customers. So if you want to see better results, you must make sure that you have targeted the right audience, you have the right creative, the right offer. Then the next most important thing is to spend a good amount of money on adverts, so that when the right people are seeing your advert and they are taking action, you are getting a higher result. You're getting a higher return on your investment. Stop spending all those small 1,000, 1,500 a day and expecting and crying when you don't see results. Those days are gone. Those days are gone. These days you invest because you know that advertising is an investment and not an expense. The fifth one is that, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please ensure that you like it, right? I want you to like it so that more people get to see the video. So the fifth one is that you make more money on Facebook ads or Instagram ads when you retarget. This is the simple truth, okay? You should also note that the retargeting is cheaper and is more effective. I mean, what is there? You create a custom audience. You create a lookalike audience, and you retarget them. You retarget your custom audience. These are people who have already engaged with your business. Probably they've sent you a DM, they've watched your videos, they've liked your post, they've commented on your post before, or they saved your post for later time. You retarget them with new and fresh offers. They are going to buy. Someone might be scrolling through Instagram or through Facebook and they see your advert, and before they even click on the ad to know what's going on, their feed may have refreshed, or something came up and they went to check it out. Before they come back, they did not see your advert again. If you do not retarget them, you have lost that customer. But if you retarget them, when they see the ad, they will be like, oh yeah, I needed to get this, let me get it now. That's how retargeting works. It follows them wherever they go. Have you ever visited any website or any app or whatever, and then all of a sudden when you log on social media, you begin to see the adverts start following you everywhere? They are retargeting you because they don't want to lose you. They are retargeting you everywhere you go. They follow you everywhere you go. These things are cheap. Learn how to create retargeting adverts that will follow people everywhere they go. They open any app, they open apps, they see you. They open the music streaming apps, they see you. They go to different websites, they see you. Everywhere they are, they see your business, they see your advert. You are following them up and down until they buy. It is not expensive, it is cheap, and it is effective. These are the 5 most important things that you have to do before you set up adverts. Create your custom audience first, so that as you're running adverts, the custom audience is increasing. Do these things and you are going to see results, I assure you. Now, for small business owners in Nigeria, if you want me to help you set up your adverts, now we're going to do this through a Zoom section. Yeah, I'll be here, you'll be over there in your own Zoom. Then I'll be directing you on what to do. I will help you select the audiences that you will target. I'll help you create a custom audience for your retargeting. I will help you create a lookalike audience for your targeting also. So we are going to create up to 3 to 5, at least we're going to create about 5 different audiences, so that whenever you want to run adverts, you can pick any of these audiences, target them, and your business is going to receive a breath of fresh air. If this is you and you would like me and you to work together to achieve these results, the next slide is for you. So I am opening up helping people to set up adverts. We are going to have a Zoom section. Location is Zoom. So it's only 30,000 naira for Nigerian small business owners. So contact me via WhatsApp on this number. Just let me know that this is exactly what you want. You can screenshot this. So just screenshot this place and send to me on WhatsApp. I will know exactly that this is where you're coming from, and then we can get started. All right. Usually my fee is way higher than this, but let's just leave it at 30,000 naira for small business owners in Nigeria. I'm trying to give back to you. So screenshot this place now, send it to me on WhatsApp to this number, and then we shall get started. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer you. If you have any comments, come on, go ahead and drop them. And also feel free to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram at Courage Ngele. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.